Hey everyone! Got my Anker USB cable with lightning connector. It's a 3-foot one. Got this to charge my iPhone. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing, and so nothing on the top. There's the front again. Then down here it says we're gonna tear it open. It's an eco-friendly welcome guide. Okie dokie. And then on the back we have all this stuff, all this writing. This is made for, it just tells the different iPhones and iPads and everything like that. It was made in China. Only trust that stuff. Yep. Okay, so, and just all that. Nothing on this side, nothing on that side. So, let's get into the unboxing. So, apparently we're supposed to tear this open. It's an eco-friendly welcome guide. Trying to tear this open here. Very snazzy. Okie dokie. Welcome guide for your lightning cable. Using your cable, blah 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 blah. So yeah, if you care about any of this stuff. But let's get onto this, the cool thing. It's a nice box. Just like with the Astro Mini, I like the design of the box, and it says Anker on the front. Okay, this one has no pull-out tab like the Astro Mini, so I guess we're just gonna... So yeah, here's the box again. And then here we go. The reveal is nice. So there's my cable. Again, thank you for choosing Anker. That's what it says. And then, so, cable, made by Anker. Smart just got easier. That's what that little writing says, if it will not focus or will focus or whatever. So yeah, just this little thing to keep your cable together while they ship it. Nothing inside of there, I think. So here's the cable. It feels pretty sturdy. Yeah, I like it. So it's all 3 feet. So from the lightning, it says Anker, yay, to the USB, which also says Anker. So yeah, just wrap this sort of back up and just, yeah. Okay, so it looks like we have another little thing that says happy with the sunshine and a question mark, and this one's kind of shoved in there really tightly. Struggling. Okay, there we go. So happy, just like in the Astro Mini, it looks like. Some information. If you're happy, you can write reviews. Or on the other side, it says not happy with a rainy cloud. Yeah. And it says if you're not happy, just call customer support or email them or whatever. And there we go. And yeah, I think that's it. So, first impressions, cable feels pretty sturdy. I'm hoping it lasts a lot longer than those Apple cables that your phone or whatever comes with. So I'll do a full review on the cable after I've had a chance to actually use it, because I haven't used it yet, because I just unboxed the box. And yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone, and we will see you later.